Hello guys, this is my tutorial to make an origami parrot. So let's be starting here by square paper. This is a green square paper. You can use anywhere you want, a square, A4 size paper or any paper, white paper, any color. So here I will start here by origami. It's not an origami paper, this is just a color sheet of green paper. So let's begin my square sheet. So here is one diagonal line. So we'll take this point here to this point here, or you can do it reverse. So this point to this point, nice and easy. And here the point. Then you will make a crease here. So I have made a crease here. So as you can see, like here is a cross between a square. So we will do the upside down. This side will come. Then we will take this point, this side here, and line up with this line over here. Nice and easy. I will tell you step by step all the methods to perform to make an origami parrot. Parrot is green, so I'm using the green paper. Now open. So here is a line. Now we'll take this side here and line up with this side over here. Nice and easy, line to line, and then make crease. Guys, here we have a line. Now you can see, guys, all their structured lines. So now we'll take this part like this, and this part, and take this side like this, and push it inside this part, and then push it the upper part on it to make a diamond shape. So here is a diamond shape. Now what to do next is line this side by on this crease. Nice and easy. And now line this side on this line. So your paper will look like this. Now you will take upper triangle and fold it on these lines of the triangles. And you will match this triangle point on this line like this, and now we'll crease. Nice and easy. So you will see that you made a crease, and now I will open this and you will see that I have made a crease over here. So now I will open the upper layer of the paper till this creased line. Open it, slowly open it. Now I will push this side inside like this. So here is like a line, creased line, which we have made. And I'll push it inside. And we will make a crease. Now do the same thing by this side. Nice and easy. Push it inside, line up with the point and this point over here, and we'll crease. So here I have made your shape will look like this. So now I will close it. Now do it upside down. Here is like this, and we'll take this side, and here is a very small, here is a big pocket, not small pocket, and we will open it by putting our finger inside and then push it down. I'll do it completely. Here I have done, and match this crease on this line over here. Nice and easy. Now I will close this side and do the same thing with another side, which is this. Open it, line this line with that line. This is not a line, this is like opening some between the triangles. So here is the crease onto line, like opening and down. I will close this. So this is the main origami parrot base. So now I will take this side. I'll take this side over here of the triangle. Here is like a small triangle, and line up with this side. Doing the same thing with another side, which is that one. Take this side and line up with this line over here. Here is the crease, okay? So I will line here with this line. Now open the sides, make an invisible crease, open it, and now I'll push it inside. I'll push it inside so that this point will make up here on this crease line. Pushing, and look, a point is here, came in this crease line. Now I will close it. I'll push also this one here inside. And now I'll crease. Make crease nice and easy, and here, and I will turn it. Now on next side we will do the same thing again. Okay, I will do the same thing as I have also completed on this side. So now I will close it. So your paper will look like this. Now I will take this side, and you will take the sides of it. Here is the sides. You will take this side by pushing your index finger inside, and you will squeeze this like this. I will squeeze it like this. First of all, I will do it like I will turn it over, and now I will squeeze it like this. So here is like a beak came out of it, but this is not a beak of the parrot. So this like it will be 1 feet of our parrot. So here this side of the paper will match on this crease over here. Line up with this crease over here, as we have lined up like this. Now do the same thing with another side. Turn it over, make it squeeze it. The base will come like a feet. It's the feet of her parrot, and we'll close it. And I will close it, and your paper will look like this. So now what to do next is take this side, and I will fold it inside to make like this. Okay, like this, and I'll squeeze it inside. Like not a squeeze, push it inside, crease it, and do the same thing with another side of the feet. this is like 1 feet of the parrot. And I'll do the same thing with another side. So here I have got another feet. These are small feet of a parrot. So I'll take out the middle side, and here is the middle side. Now I will take this side over here and line up with the crease in the middle of this middle part, like this, and then this side on to this. So here it will look like this. Now take this side, this whole side, the feet and this upper side, and close it like this. Open it, and like you will press this part inside and turn it around, and here is the back body, and you will push it out and you will close it. So here I have made. Now what to do is take this side, and here is a crease, you can see it. I will push a line up with on it like this. And now turn it around and line, do the same thing, line it on it. Here I have one. This is the main body. These are the feet. So here on this part I will make a head. But now what to do is take this side, this upper layer, like here are 2 layers, so take upper layer, upper side, line this side with this, line up it like this. Now crease it. Now we'll do the overfold. Take this side and line up with this line. Nice and easy. Do the same thing with another side. I'll do it fastly because I'm doing the same thing, so I don't need to tell. And I'll crease it, and here is the body of the parrot. The paper will look like this. Now what to do next is take the middle part of the body and take these are the feet, take the middle lower body and this, and attach this side like this side like this side. So here it will look like this. Now take this side, the body and the feet, and I will close it on it. So the paper will look like this. Crease it tightly, and here is the body. Now I have to make the feet, the wings, sorry. So I will take this side, and here is the imaginary line, and I will crease on it. Like you can see, there is a point over here, yeah? Like little lower over here, I will make a line. And I will turn it like a line of crease and do the same thing over here. This is the point, little lower here almost, I'll make a line. Not the main body will stay like this, and this will be another wing of the plant. So you will look like this. Now take both wings and push it back. Like take both wings, I'll press both wings and push it back. So you will look like this. Main body as I said. So here I'll make the head. So here I will do the inward fold like this, and the upper beak here I will make a beak, so I will do it outward fold like this, and I will make an outward fold like that. So here is the beak, it is the face. So now on the wings I will squeeze this part inside, and over here I will squeeze this part also inside. Not squeeze, press it a bit. Do the same thing with the other side. So nice and easy. Press it like that and close it. Sorry. So here are the wings. So I will shape the wings a little bit outwards. Okay. And a little bit outwards I'll shape the wings to make them fold. So here is the head, nice head. Here are the wings, here are the feet. So I'll shape, there's a small pocket inside the feet. You will do also here the inward fold to make the feet. Same thing with another feet. Here is a pocket. Guys, if you like this video, like it and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so here is the middle part of the body. So you will take your index finger and push it inwards like that. You will take your both in the thumb and the index finger and press it over here, nice, and here, and your right hand index and thumb and squeeze, press it here. So here is like a small portion. So I will squeeze it like this, squeeze it like this. So here is your parrot, nice parrot. Here guys, it is on my cup, nice picture, you can see. Guys, if you like this parrot, give a thumb up sign and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and bye bye.